What's up, everybody? And this is Thunderboss. This is my new redstone world that I will be using with all my redstone. So yeah, today I'll be showing you how to make a very effective TNT cannon. So it's not a cannon, but it's like it makes like fireworks. This little TNT in there. So for this you'll be needing TNT, of course. Dispensers, redstone, this, I think, and I'll take. I think that's it. Yeah, and a button. Yeah, and a button. So you'll start by taking the block of your choice and making a 3x3 square or 4x4, and for the corners, in the middle of each of them, put a dispenser. It cannot be a dropper, it has to be a dispenser. And you also need a water bucket, which I forgot about. And and you need fence post. I don't think you need this, but you need a fence and pressure plate. Yeah, I remember them. So put like that. Put water in all four corners, like that, and just connect it all with redstone. Make sure to sneak all around here, like so, and you go here, one block, put another dispenser here, and then yeah, that's it. And put a block here. With a, I'm just guessing right now, so because I forgot how to do it really. So I think this is how you do it. I'm not so sure. Put it on the second tick. With the last tick. It's not fun. Oh, that was TNT. 16. There, TNT. And I guess we'll be needing more TNT. So, go TNT and fill this one right here. And I guess put this here, Peter. One. Let's test it. Nope, it failed. Oh yeah, I see the problem. I see. It needs to be right. Well, uh-oh. I'll take the source out of here. I don't know, I'm confused right now. Put a button right here and try it. Okay, that's better. So okay. I think I got it now. You get this, some redstone here. Yep. That repeater here. Redstone here, so elastic. And well, connect it like that. Let's see if yeah, like that. Now it's working. See? It makes like fireworks with TNT. That look really cool. So let's try that again. Rebuild it with this time. Actually no, because now I know what I'm doing. Let's start out with 1, 2, 3, 5 by 5. It's a 5 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put it in a circle. So put a fence, that on top, water, 4 corners, and put this here, all around here, and then put redstone all around, like so, and then we'll go here, put a dispenser here, and put a block right on top of here. Uh-oh. My mouse is kind of broken, and well, I need to get a new mouse. So, yeah. Put a button right here. That right there, that right there. It's elastic. Stone all over here. And just to make it better looking, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So put it from there, so the same. Uh-oh, I forgot to get TNT. TNT. Let's get it here. Here, 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 and more TNT to put in here. No, let's test it. Hopefully it doesn't blow up anything. It did not work. That was weird. Supposed to. I see. We need to just get a repeater right here. Nope. Right here. I don't know. You know what? Just put it here. Now let's test it. Looks great.